Hey guys, welcome back to the beauty room for another video. So I know you guys thought I wasn't doing vlogmas, but surprise, I am. So what I'm basically gonna do is I'm gonna do vlogmas for 12 days. I'm gonna do the countdown to Christmas. So we're gonna do the 12 days of Christmas. We're gonna count down the last 12 days until Christmas, because there's only 12 days left until Christmas, guys. I can't believe it. This year has gone so crazy fast. I feel like, well, actually this year I feel like it went really slow, like, and like was nonsense and craziness and pandemic and viruses and all this nonsense. And now that December is here and like Christmas and everything that we love, now it's going like really fast. Like December was just here and now it's halfway over, so it's crazy. So there's only 12 days left until Christmas. So what I want to do is I want to celebrate with you guys every single day up until Christmas, and let's do a little countdown kind of thing. So we have like videos. I'm gonna give you a video every single day up until the day of Christmas. That's 12 videos with me. So I'm calling it, it's vlogmas, but I'm gonna go ahead and call it Beauty Room Fitness, because it's Christmas and it's fitness and it's beauty and it's all the things, and you're gonna love it. So check back in with me every single day until Christmas time so we can celebrate together and talk about all the things. So I have a bunch of hauls to show you because of course I went Christmas shopping and for my house. Okay, I basically went and bought a bunch of Christmas stuff for my house. So I have all these Christmas hauls that you're gonna see. If you love that kind of stuff, then you're gonna really love, okay, vlogmas with Beauty Room Fitness and with me, your girl Alicia. So what I want to show you though is I found some advent calendars. Like, I was looking for some advent calendars because I wanted to find like a beauty advent calendar or something like really cute that I could do, you know, for the 12 days and maybe kind of count down and to Christmas with, right? Just something cute and fun that I could do. So I actually went to Five Below and I found these really cute socks. Now I've been wanting this sock advent calendar forever now, guys. It's only $5 to get like 12 socks, and I couldn't find it. I literally went to like Five Below like 3 or 4 times just to find this advent calendar set, and finally at the last 4th time I went, I found there were 3 left. I think there were 3 packs of them left. So I grabbed 2 and I went ahead and saved 1 for somebody else, because I'm like, I was looking for them like crazy, and I'm always the kind of person, I will always leave 1 for somebody else. I don't just take all of them. I don't think that's right, because everyone's just taking things off the shelf. You can't get anything, and so I always leave 1 for someone else. But I got 1 for me and 1 for somebody else. So this is the 12 Days of Christmas. It's like a socks advent calendar. So there's like a cute little door for each day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and it's all these cute little socks inside. Like, it shows you the socks on the back, but it's a surprise. You know, like, you guys don't need to know. It'll be a surprise for you when you see it. But I grabbed 1 of these for me, and I grabbed 1 for one of you guys, because it's giveaway time. Okay, so basically what you need to do for the giveaway is just like watch my videos every single day, leave me a nice positive comment, and of course you have to be subscribed to my channel, and that's it. That's all you gotta do. And whoever's the most engaged, or you know, whoever's commenting, you know, I see a lot of people commenting on my videos, and like I said, whoever's the most engaged on the videos and who subscribed to the channel, at the end of this 12 Days of Christmas and hashtag Beauty Room Fitness, then somebody's gonna win one of these boxes. Okay, isn't that cute? You know you want 12 pairs of socks. You know you need new socks. Okay, this year's been crazy. You know you need a new pair of socks. 12 pairs of socks. Okay, so this is really cute. I'm gonna do this advent calendar, and then I'm gonna give 1 of them away. And then I also found at the Five Below, I found these really cute bath spongy thingies. They say babe on them. Super duper cute. Isn't that cute? It's a super cute bath sponge hanging in your bathroom. remember and remind yourself that you are a babe, okay? And I'm gonna also pair that with this little set as with the giveaway too. So you'll get these two things in your little giveaway. Won't that be cute? Won't it be fun? Okay, let's go. Let's get it. Are y'all excited? Y'all excited now, ain't you? Because you like free stuff, because you know it's free. And I know you like free things. So somebody's going to win that, all right? Okay, so then I also went and I found these at the Five Below. They're called Cable Squad cable accessory covers. I actually needed some covers for my USB or whatever. So I grabbed these little guys. I thought they were kind of cute. Yeah, it's been a long day. But that was a long one. So you felt that, didn't you? Felt it. Anyway, you probably yawned too because you know they're contagious. Even through the computer. Yeah, y'all. I got y'all. But anyway, so I got these little narwhals. I thought these were super cute. And I'm just going to use them to cover up my charger because it keeps flopping around and I really don't want to break it. So I'm just going to slide those over there. So I found those at the Five Below too. And these were $5. And I grabbed those also. And that's about it. I mean, that's all. I just want to show you a couple things that I got from the Five Below because, like I said, one of them you're going to get if you are the most engaged in this Vlogmas. You will be happily getting that, and I know you want to get it. And so I'm kind of excited to see, you know, what's in that, you know, because I just think it's cute, you know. Plus, I need some new socks this end of the year. All right, and then there's one other thing I want to show you guys. I also went to Target and I found a advent calendar there because for some reason, like I said, it's really hard to find stuff this year, and it's basically because of all that's going on, and you know, you can't shipping and everything is slow and you can't get things, are not coming in like they're supposed to. But I was lucky enough to find not one advent calendar but two advent calendars. I was looking for a beauty one. So I got one that's an advent calendar of just all socks, and this one's a beauty one, and I found it at Target, and it's called let me grab it for y'all. It's called the Best of Skincare. Oh, not that, some little fuzzies on it. It's called the Best of Skincare 12-Day Advent Calendar. And so it has like all these cute little stuff. So it has like a lip mask, an under eye mask, a pair. Yeah, you need two. You got two eyes. So it's an under eye mask. You have a couple bath bombs, bath confetti, bath salt, a bath poof, a peel off mask, a couple peel off masks, clay cleanser, clay mask, and a facial mist. So I thought this was super cute also because it's like 12 days also. And you get like a lip mask and all these other cute little things. And it says like on the back, it shows you like what it is and everything, and it says like what it's made of and like what all the ingredients and stuff in it are too. So I was kind of excited to do this one also because then I get to like enjoy like something that's spa-like every single day up until Christmas also, and pamper myself until Christmas. Because trust me y'all, this year has been rough, okay? This has been a rough year and we all deserve to pamper ourselves, okay? So I'm going to be doing this one also each day. So I'll have this one that I'm going to be opening up and this one. So each day I'll have on a Christmas pair of socks up until Christmas, which that'll be fun. And then I'll also have like a spa one. And like I said, at the end of all this, one of you lucky subscribers is going to win this set and also one of these scrubbies. So I hope you enjoy watching these videos. Guys, like I said, I do these videos for you guys. Like I really just like hanging out with you guys and talking to you guys. And I know a couple of you really enjoyed Vlogtober, so I wanted to give you something for for Christmas for Vlogmas. And I hope you're excited. I'm excited. I can't wait to get these videos knocked out for you guys. So stay tuned. Come back each and every day up until Christmas, because we're gonna celebrate up until Christmas, because the end of this year is almost here, and I know we all are tired of it. We're all tired of wearing masks. We're all tired of doing the things, being stuck in the house, doing all that. Oh, my eyes are watering. we're tired of it, right? This year has been cray, okay? So I thought I wanted to end the year off with something nice, something fun, something enjoyable that you guys would like, and I hope you're gonna like it, you know, because it's gonna be lit. Okay, so if you like these videos and you're excited about Vlogtober, go ahead and give me a thumbs up down below. And go ahead and subscribe to this channel, boo, because you ain't going to want to miss the notifications. Oh, and put your notifications on. Click that bell so you can get notified also, because you're not going to want to miss when these videos upload, because you know you're going to want to be the first to comment so you can win these socks, okay? Alright, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!